Hello friends, today I got my hands on mAH Powerbank. It is Powerbank which I ordered in the flash sale. As you can see, it is packed by mAH. So let's jump into the box. So here is the box. As usual, white color box with the mAH logo and some barcode etc. Let's open the box. Let's put aside. Here we have the cable that you will use to charge your mobile with the power bank, and a pretty nice casing and the power bank itself. So let's peel it off. It has two ports, one charging port, on off button, and it is half charge. Yes, approximately half charge. It is actually pretty heavy. It's original mAH and it is pretty heavy. Here I have the 5000 mAh power bank of mAH. It is pretty light and you can see the difference between the power banks. It is slim and as you can see it is thick, but it is 16,000 power bank and is 5000. That's the actual difference. Is 5.1 volt and which one is 2.1. There are two ports, one of them is 5.1 volt and one of them is 2.1. So you have to figure it out by charging it, the mobiles or any other device, which one is fast or which one is slow. And here is only one port,